everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to get Google Gemini on your Android device. If you're eager to experience Google's cutting-edge AI platform, this step-by-step guide will get you set up in no time. Let's get started. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. On the Play Store homepage, tap the search bar located at the top of the screen. Type Google Gemini and tap the search icon. When the results appear, locate the official Google Gemini app in the list and select it. Tap the Install button to download the application. Once the app is downloaded, the verification process will ensure it's ready to use. After installation is complete, tap Open to launch Google Gemini. You're now all set to explore Google's AI-powered platform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.